Hello! Today, we're learning how to pronounce this English sound. This sound is one of the trickiest for learners, but with practice, you get it right. This sound is called the alveolar approximant, which implies that air flows smoothly whilst the tongue is close to but not touching the alveolar ridge. The vocal cords vibrates when it is articulated. It is a consonant sound. It is articulated in two ways. We have the badged sound and the retroflex sound. To articulate the badged sound, the tongue tip points down toward the bottom of the mouth. The middle of the tongue batches up toward the roof of the mouth, which is the hard palate. The lips are usually slightly rounded. Air flows smoothly around the tongue.
R. R.
You can find this R in words like car, far, mother, dollar, and more. The second sound is articulated as the tongue coils up and back toward the roof of the mouth, just behind the alveolar ridge. The tongue body stays lower compared to the badged version. It is often rounded as well.
R. R.
You can find it in words like red, run, real, rain, road, carrot, around, sorry, forest, and more. Like you see, this sound can be found at the beginning, middle, and at the end of a word. In addition to this, we also have the linking R and the intrusive R. The linking R happens when a word ends with the sound in spelling, but the sound is normally silent. If the next word begins with a vowel, the sound is pronounced to link the words smoothly. For example, her idea is great. You can hear the linking R between idea and is. Her idea is great. Another example would be I saw it far away. Without a following vowel, the R stays silent. For example, her car. Moving on, let's look at the intrusive R. It happens when a word does not end with an R in spelling, but speakers insert the sound between two vowels to make the flow smoother. This is a feature of many non-rhotic accents, but not of spelling. For example, law and order. You can hear the sound R in between, making the flow smoother. The reason why this happens is that English avoids having two vowel sounds crash into each other. Linking an intrusive R acts as a bridge to make speech more fluid and natural. The rhotic sound is used especially in America, Canada, Irish, and Scottish. Speakers usually pronounce all written R and do not use intrusive R. However, the British, Australian, New Zealand, South Africa drop this sound unless it's followed by a vowel. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I believe that you got value. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our exquisite channel. I'll see you in my next class.